When somebody walks through our door, we know they have a complex problem to deal with. We know how to handle that problem. We know how to navigate the system. We know how to assist them. And we give them the personal care and attention that they also deserve. Our law firm has been handling personal injury, bankruptcy, and immigration cases in the Southern California area for more than a quarter century. We have personnel in our office who speak different dialects of Chinese. We speak Mandarin, we speak Cantonese, we have Spanish speakers, we have people who speak Vietnamese. There is a big difference between ethnic communities and the American community. We know how to bridge the gap. We have employees who have grown up in ethnic communities and know how to deal directly and talk directly in the native language of some of our foreign clients.